fine. Wow, that's hot. There's our Shibus. Better take a picture on this phone. Oh god, I forgot this is just going to be crazy. Overexposed. Anyways guys, I'm going to shut this off and I'm going to wait until we get all the way to the other part, which is super tight and technical and a little bit more fun, and we're probably going to get stuck behind somebody towing a boat anyway.
So yeah, we're just waiting for our car to get some distance. Although it doesn't really help because you will end up catching them in like about, I don't know, 20 seconds. Probably 20 seconds. Less than 20. Yeah, I don't know. It feels like you're doing a lot by slowing down and letting somebody get ahead, but the thing is they drive 20 miles an hour, which is, I mean, that is the speed limit. I'm not mad at them. They're just going to the lake to enjoy it, and I wouldn't drive fast either if I had my family in my family car, but...
Hey, I'm your family.
You are, no, you are. You know, like, we don't have like kids and stuff. They're all the way up there, and it would still be like literally 15 seconds if you were to time it. I'm just waiting here because I can see when people come around the corner behind us in case we have to go. How long do we wait? Do we listen to like a song or something? Nothing. Just waiting. What?
Why are you stopping in the road?
I don't know. I'll go now, okay? Well, that was awkward. I'm not good at making up excuses, so like I can't even make up anything.
You said that your car was hot.
Oh yeah, that's true. I could have. I also have a GoPro on my head, so no matter what I say, it kind of. All right. Well, I guess we might as well go now. For like a minute and a half or two, probably more. Yeah, well anyway, to end this video, since I don't think I'm gonna get any kind of clear passage, but I suppose it's for the better. Before I saw a cop and I would have been going 60 around a corner or something stupid. Yeah, this car is pretty awesome. It corners like no other car. The only time I ever drove the M3 fast around corners, realistically, besides on ramps and off ramps, which doesn't count, was that Hawk's Nest video. This car handles a lot better. This car absolutely flows through the corners. Like seriously, it's phenomenal. And I'm really not even pushing the car because the tires aren't making any noise or anything. The butt's not even starting to oversteer or anything like that. Nor am I getting any understeer. But then again, this isn't exactly the best place to push a car. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra!